In this video, I'm going to show a live demo of a home remodeling AI chatbot, and this particular chatbot is actually created for this specific business called as Dutra Home Improvements, which serves in this South River, New Jersey area. So they actually provide these sort of services, and the opening hours are from the sort of 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. If a particular customer wants to request a free code, they have to provide the name, email, phone number. They have to choose a service and also provide some details about their project. So let's see how this actually works. So this can actually works on multiple channels such as Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Business, Telegram, even on the website as well. So let me show the demo on this particular Instagram, and after that I will actually explain how this is actually set up as well. So let's get started over here. So we are in the Chatting Media Instagram. So let me send a message over here, hi, and see what happens over here. This hello, how can I assist you today? So this can actually answer any kind of questions about this particular business as well. So let me ask this question. So let me go to this particular website and ask about the opening hours. What are the opening hours? So it should say Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Let's see how this actually respond to us. Alright, we are closed on Sundays, and it says, so let me ask a question. Do you offer kitchen remodeling? So let me ask, do you offer kitchen remodeling? So as you see here, one of the service offered by this particular Dutra Home Improvements, it's kitchen remodeling, and it says, yes, we specialize in kitchen remodels. If you are interested in our services, may I ask for your location to provide a relevant assistant. So here this particular company actually serves in areas related to the South River, New Jersey. So if a particular customer is actually located in some other states, then this particular company cannot help them. So let me say I am located in Texas, which is a completely different state. So this particular chatbot will say we cannot actually help you, something like that. I'm sorry, but we can only serve South River, NJ, and its surrounding regions. Thank you for considering this particular company. So let me say this. Actually, I'm located in South River, and now it should actually allows me to request a free quote. Let's see how this really works. Great. If you are interested in our complimentary quote for kitchen remodeling services, please provide your name, email, address, phone number, and also a brief description of your project. So it says complimentary quote for your kitchen remodeling services, because initially I asked about kitchen remodeling. That's why it simply says that sort of response to me. So let me provide details over here. So let me provide George at gmail.com, and let me provide a phone number too, and we have to provide a brief description about the project as well. So let's say modernizing of the kitchen with latest tools and kits. Just some kind of information over here. I provide the email, phone number, and also some project details as well. Let's see what happens. And it says, thank you for providing your details. We will reach out to you shortly to discuss your kitchen remodeling project and provide you with a free quote. So let's see what happened over here in this particular Google Sheet. We should see that particular detail we have provided through this particular chat is already popping in this particular Google Sheet. So the name, email, the phone number, the service type is kitchen remodeling. So in this particular detail, I didn't provide any details about kitchen remodeling, but it automatically actually captures as this particular kitchen remodeling over here. And also here we are actually saying that modernization of the kitchen, something like that. So that's why it says kitchen remodeling, and also the project details also here. So you can also find the same details or track the details from this omnichannel inbox as well. And here the project details, type of service, the phone number, the email address, and you can find all these details here. And an agent can add a note as well. So if they actually contact this particular customer and provide the code, let me say free code provided on December 10, 2023, something like that. An agent can simply add a note over here, and here they can actually mark as follow-up as well. So later down the line, they can actually check what are the customers they have actually need to follow up over here, and simply check their status, free code provided. And once they follow up with the customer, they can actually add another note as something like this: follow up 1 on December 12 2023, no response, something like that. So you can actually keep track of all the things happening. So here it says free code was provided on this particular date, follow-up was done on this particular date, and as you see here, the date is automatically updated when they actually add the note. So add a note, so you don't need to actually mention the dates over here, but since I'm doing 2 notes over here, that's why I'm actually differentiating the notes as you see here. And it says this conversation is actually assigned to an agent, Henry Allen, and also marked as follow-up as well. So let me actually show how this is actually built as well. So first of all, you have to actually have a prompt. So here, for this particular business, Dutra Home Improvement, this is how we actually provide the prompt over here. Your helpful assistant to this particular company respond to the customers in 1 to 2 sentences. So here we have some instructions for the chatbot. When interacting with the customers, expressing interest in the services or seeking information on pricing, begin by asking their location to ensure we can provide relevant assistance, because this particular company only serves in areas related to South River, New Jersey, and such as these sort of areas. So that's why we actually asking the location of the customer, and basically if they are actually located nearby in the South River area, then we simply ask the other details, such as a customer has to provide their name, email address, phone number, service type, and a brief information about their project to request a free quote. And here, if the customer is not from these areas over here, we can simply say we are not able to assist with them. And here we have some information about this particular company and some frequently asked questions as well, and how can they can make payments, some those sort of details as well. And another important thing is that we also have a ChatGPT trigger over here. So ChatGPT triggers allows you to collect customer data and trigger flows as well. So for this ChatGPT trigger, to provide or to collect the customer data to provide a free quote, we have this ChatGPT trigger called as request free quote, and here we says allows customer to request a free quote, and here we actually specify what sort of details we want to collect from the customers and where we want to actually save those details. For example, customer name will be saved in the full name field. So that's why when we actually open this particular omnichannel inbox, we can check their profile, whatever the name they provide, the email they provide, the phone number they provide, and also the type of service and the project details already saved in the omnichannel inbox within the customer's profile as well. So we actually specify those details over here. And here, after they provide all these details, what we are going to do is we actually triggering a flow which is called as Home Improvement AI Chatbot Leads Google Sheet. So if you remember, we are also sending these customer details to this particular Google Sheet, so which is actually achieved by triggering a flow after collecting all these details. So let me show how does this particular flow look like. Home Improvement AI Chatbot Leads. So this is the particular flow over here. So here we have this Google Sheet action. So this particular Google Sheet action is used to send all the information what the customer actually provided in the chat to this particular Google Sheet. So here send data, the spreadsheet name. So exact spreadsheet name over here, and the worksheet is here named as sheet 1, and we have these columns in this particular spreadsheet. So we are actually simply sending customer details such as the full name, email, phone number, type of service, and also project details to the Google Sheet. So that's the that's the point of having this particular action. And also, if you remember, after they provide all these details, we also receive this sort of message over here: thank you for providing the details, we will reach out to you shortly to discuss your kitchen remodeling project and provide you with a free quote. So this particular message, the confirmation message, is actually generated using this particular OpenAI action. So here we are saying say free quote request has been received, has been successfully received, and we just provide the customer name and the type of service. So based on that, they will actually receive this particular AI output. So this particular AI output will be this particular message. So if I open the profile over here, AI output, the exact message was generated using this particular action we have over here, and the message is saved in the AI output custom field as well. So we are actually sending that particular message to the customer, and if you remember, we actually assigning the particular conversation to Henry Allen over here, and also the admins also receive the notifications as well. So let me show how this actually set up. So here we actually automatically assigning the conversation to two admins. So based on their availability, here we actually selected two admins. So one of the admins will be assigned this particular conversation, so they can actually handle the customer. And also we actually notifying the admins as well, and we actually send this sort of message when notifying the admins. They can actually choose to receive free code notifications when a particular customer request via email, SMS, or other sort of channels. So here we actually choose Telegram. So this is the notification we received. So this is the customer name. These are the details provided by that particular customer, and this notification will be sent to these admins, this particular admin and also this particular admins. So they can actually receive a notification and immediately work on getting a free code for this customer. So that is how this particular home remodeling AI chatbot works. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.